Learn the top 5 Excel formulas quick and easily. Let's go. What we're going to learn today is about the sum formula, the average formula, the count formula, the concatenate formula, and the if formula. So first, let's provide you with some data points. Alright, now that we have our data points, we can actually use Excel to make our calculations. First, always start out with the equal sign, then type in sum, then you do open parentheses, and then you want to left click on your mouse and select your first data point and drag it all the way over to your last data point, and that is a range. Once you have your data points, then you click on close parentheses, and then you press enter on your keyboard. Once you have that, you will have the formula on top. Please click on pause to practice. Now let's move on to the average formula. In order to do the average formula, always start off with the equal symbol. Once you have that, then you type in average. You can either do capital A or lowercase a, it doesn't matter. Then you enter your open parentheses, and then like before, you left click on your mouse and drag all the way over and select all your data points, and then click on your close parentheses. Once you do that, you click enter, you will have your value. Once you have your value, you will see the formula on the top. Click on pause to practice. The next formula is our count formula. Once again, what you need to do is start off with the equal symbol. Once you enter the equal symbol, then you can enter count. Once you enter count, then you can open up with an open parentheses and select all your data points that you have. Count allows you to select text and numerical values, and it only counts the numerical values. So here we select all of our data, and then we enter our close parentheses. Then we press enter on our keyboard, and as we can see here, we see 9 values. So we can see 9 numbers in our data set. It did not count the text, it only counted the numerical values, which is 9. Now you'll see the formula on the top. Please click on pause on this video to practice. Next, we will look at the concatenate formula. The concatenate formula allows you to mesh cells together. Always start off with the equal symbol and then start your formula. You'll see it show up in the bottom. You can actually double click on your formula that you want. Once you double click on the formula that you want, it automatically enters a parentheses for you. Once you have that, then you see where it says text 1 on the bottom there. You select your first text box and then enter a comma. Once you do that, you can then select your second text box and enter another comma. Then in our case, we have 3 values, so we select our third box, and then we enter our close parentheses. Once you have all of that, you press enter, and you will see that all those values are brought together into one cell. So here is your formula. Please click on pause and practice. Our last formula is the if formula. Always start off with equals, then type in if, open parentheses. What we're going to do here is do a simple if statement. We're going to say if this value of 3 right here is greater than 4 right below it, then we'll put a comma sign, is true, and then close parentheses and enter. As you can see, 3 is not greater than 4, so we see a sign of false. But if we were to change that 4 to a 2, then it will automatically update and say true. 3 is greater than 2. So here's the formula. Please click on pause to practice. Well, that was a quick and easy top 5 Excel formulas. Thank you.